And now, Stephanie Ann Crane, Miss Teenage America, 1968.
Hi, I'm Stephanie's mother, Nancy Crane. My husband and I were thrilled that Steph won, but worried that her Miss Teenage duties would interfere with her college studies. Fortunately, Stephanie now has a new Royal Jetstar electric typewriter to help her make the most of her time. Her Jetstar is a nice personal size, but with speed and features like an office electric. She's typing faster and neater now. The Royal Jetstar is no guarantee of straight A's for any student, but it helps. And isn't that what parents want? I have a new Jetstar, too, that helps me at home where I have a business raising St. Bernards.
See one of the beautiful new Royal personal electrics at your Royal dealer. Royal is electric when it comes to typewriters. Plug in a Royal in your home, school, or office. A product of Litton Technology.